So we're going to the office of the Scarlett, guys. With my husband, it's already there. I just we just complain until now, guys. We don't have yet our title. Long time ago, we pay our condo fully paid, but still, oh my gosh. I'm gonna go to the office. Okay. There you go. Okay, our life here is just watching the music. This a Netflix, eh?
Huh?
Netflix. In the condo. Just stay at the condo. Bim Bim is not here. Nasa kanyang mama. Kasi gusto ng mama niya, na-miss niya yung girl niya. Okay. Okay, I miss my condo. Okay. I miss my condo. Taking a video. Hey, hey. We're going to salon for haircut of Walter. Yeah. Okay. We're waiting for cab driver, the Grab driver.
Mm-hmm. I need all those lights on in the kitchen.
Mm-hmm. I missed to video. We're eating our dinner.
Even your granddaughter is getting tired of that camera.
My sunset. Egg. Egg. My little girl. Wow. My girl. My heaven girl.
Say how you
Control. Yeah, we got a 29-year suspect heading south from the 6. Copy that.
Good morning, coffee. Coffee sa ta. Good morning. Coffee sa ta. Tapos na kumain, girl. Early nag-wake up. Oh my God. Basta si daddy na early. Okay, saba na kay among girl. Okay, guys. It's morning, another day, Saturday. Every day. You cannot eat ice cream every day. Jacob? Too much ice cream? Si Jacob?
Jacob.
It's your YouTube,
But I'm talking about somebody else.
in the YouTube. What she watch? What she's watching in the YouTube. That's what you apply in your mind.
I think it's Kano that eats all the ice cream or something like that.
No, Jacob.
Oh, smart girl, oh.
The ice cream.
Wow. The puzzle was simple for her puzzle.
He's put that together so many times.
No, just yesterday I bought that Jollibee. But when he put in there, he grabbed the plastic. He put in the table and she arranged it and piled the puzzle.
And he's got to smell it.
What is smell, Ben? Bad? Bad smell? Jollibee smell? But I like now the Jollibee's Jollibee stuff. So to is ano? Durable. Have a quality.
Like McDonald's.
Oh yeah, I know, but it's nice. But here, the McDonald's here, not good anymore. In US, Wow, it's very good quality. Here,
No,
it comes in Philippines. No good.
Can't eat ice cream. Don't much can make you sick.
Who's this Gerben? Who's this Gerben character for Jollibee? Be may I see? We will read the plastic bit. 80 butterfly. Si Haiti. Flower pot. Flower pot. Tiny siya.
Next day,
So this is a flower pot.
check
I catch the butterfly.
next.
That's a garden. So Kitty will be there. After that,
The garden.
Kitty will be
They're
there.
buzzing bee.
Oh.
Flower.
Okay. At my girl, how smart. Oh, wow. She know how to play sa garden. Katie is getting butterfly.
Add those down after you eat.
Butterflies. Wow. You know how to do it. She's smart. She's very smart girl. Pang-share ka, no? Gubot kami. My girl is always eating. Non-stop. Again.
What's she eating now?
Cookies again. Your Oreo. Your Oreo. My goodness, girl. Oh, how dirty it is, oh. Oh, the girl's always eating. Non-stop. The mouth. Always. Eat your corn beef dito ka. Higag ka ng kuwan, ha. Ang girl. Ang girl. Ganina rin eh. Gabi kang kinauna. You know, tulog dayon. Nasa bed na dayon. Ano sila sa Netflix. Ang girl. Okay na naman ang aircon. Ipalong ni Daddy off. Ganina kay tugnaw kayo. Karon akong giwon kay ako'y gipaningot. Kaya nang limpyo ko na hugas sa plato. Girl. Haba pansit today. Naglayo si Daddy. Hindi may maigi. Ayaw ka ng kung ano para sa dispenser sa water. Cabinet. Habog kayo na
Grandpa shark, mommy shark,
Listen,
dad shark,
mga boys.
daddy shark, big
Uh-uh.
mommy shark. Shark.
Okay, we're eating our steak. Heaven chicken nuggets. Because you don't like it. It's a steak from SNR. Okay. I'm cooking mine because I don't want a raw steak. I want medium done. Wow, the birthday gift of Daddy, the couch of Bem Bem, the bed couch Bem Bem, sofa bed. Hey. Oh, she get us bed, sofa bed. Uh-oh. Dagan na may appliances. Oh, puno na mong.
All for your own. You ain't got to sleep with anybody but
Oh,
yourself.
my God. Uh-oh, we have a oven now, electric ovens. I'm happy I could cook already a cake. Uh-huh. Uh-oh, Bem Bem. Oh, nice, Bem. Nice, Bem. Nice. Uh-oh. My girl, so happy? Are you happy with your bed? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes! For my gift. Say thank you. Thank you, Daddy, for my gift, bed. But it's only here, huh? Because you're sleeping. Don't bring in Binaoro. It's not for Binaoro. This is only for here.
Oh, you bring it to Buena Hora, there'll be 3 other people sleeping with you. Right now, Aldrin's got his friends over there. And they're probably sleeping in your other bed.
Correct.
You're sleeping in, it's probably...
Hali, Bem. Bem, magkwanta picture ta kay it's new. Be? Oh, picture ta. Tanaw sa camera. Dini oh, face sa camera, smile. Smile. Ang bear yung ipakitaan. Wow, my girl, she have a bed now. Very nice bed rather than us. Uh-oh, sofa bed. She get the birthday of her daddy. Uh-oh. She get it very nice, Daddy, yeah? Very nice. Uh-oh. Oh. Oh, girl, my girl. Morning.
And life definitely keeps you up. So I have a lot of empathy, more so than I used to,
So,
for these older men that come out here just wanting to live a simple
try this.
life.
We're just buying yesterday.
I mean, I don't
I'm gonna try this, how it works. Our rotisserie chicken.
you know, in your mid-30s,
So I already marinated.
you're in good
So
shape,
yeah,
and you're starting to
this
work,
is our
you're
update
making
now
money, and you
in our
settle,
condo.
and you kind of are kind of the father of the Philippines. It's a bit more
Update. We have a lot of appliances now. It's
for sure learned is like
already
it's kind of a cliche,
very
but
tiny
the
studio condo.
it's
So So, oh my gosh, full already. You have no space. Okay, that's okay. It's getting good. We just have this. I keep all the stuff. So we bought this so that it's only one we are using the electric rather than that. Not too much. We wanted to toast our French fries and then cook in the air fryer. Too much electric, so we rather bought a big one oven toast oven. It's a little mini oven toaster. So yeah. I left my phone there. I got a lot of my stuff here. This is my update. I just bought that. This is my stock for my extra blanket, bed sheets, whatever, towels, everything. Curtains. So that's so they say nothing is new. So here's our water, the water, and we bought this new for us. For stuffing my paper using in the bathroom or hand towel.
And for me, this channel has been like a huge part of documenting a very important
Okay, that's my,
because
okay, this is our
I
garden.
just feel compelled to do it in similar situations that need the inspiration, need the encouragement, and everybody's doing it sort of
I'm taking it back.
channel is like part of my life. Like when I'm talking to you guys, like this is
Chicken is not a perfect, but it's okay. It's a trial. Next time we're gonna buy a type for that. At least we try it. Our chicken is not even. This side is not totally rotation for the cook well brown. Hey, bam bam. That's okay. Next time. Young girl, ako naka-wake up. Oh my God. Time is 5 already. Almost 6. Oh my gosh.
Tell her, Mommy, when she calls tonight, she says, Mommy, they're drugging me. So what's going on in Buenor? Anything interesting?
Second floor po ito. Konti lang step. Ayan ang mailbox namin. So, first floor. Dito. Ito ang outside. Ayan. Ayan. Nasa Magenta. Building po kami. So, Jan, Azur, Scarlett, and Cameron. Have a basketball court din. Pwede namin mag-jog-jog din, oh. Na. Turn around na. Play yourself. Come on. lang. So hot? You feel hot? Oh, so quick. Go. Sige, go na. Go back. At least you're ready. Be careful the wire. Watch the wire. Watch your step. Okay, very good. Wait to the grandma. No, sige, go. Don't far from grandma. Go back to the condo. Gina. Gina. Ayun sa. Oh. Sige, mag-exercise. You're walking. This is our building. Again, walking this aisle, first floor. Yeah, we don't have elevator here, just stairs, steps. So we're going to the walking here, going up. The first floor, ground. So wow, nobody is picking our garbage. I don't know where's the maintenance. We have a maintenance here, but maybe it's a holiday. So we're going to the second floor. We open our exit step door. So okay, walking. It's so dark. No light on. So dark here. We don't turn on the lights because it's already morning. They minimize the electric power. Okay. This is the second floor. That's our room. Okay. I go again. This is step for the third floor. So we are in second floor. This is the third floor. Okay. Going up. Going down. Walking. Just toward this Tortoise building of Magenta. Okay, we're gonna be sit again for the third floor. We're going to the fourth floor. So, going up. Wow, there's a lot of us. Look at our mess now. We don't know where's the maintenance. A lot of public on here. Squatter. This is a public property. Government property of Kauswagan. But there's a lot of there's a lot of people living there, homeless people, so they let them to stay there for the government's service. Oh, fourth floor. Look at Bemo. You can see the a lot of subdivision there. Oh, that is Barbara subdivision, that play, and Castanya. That's a what do you call this? Toyota company in CDO. Toyota, they block us, so if we can go there, it's supposed to be shortcut only in the highway, but we need to turn here. Okay, this is the fourth floor. We're going down in heaven. Anestia, I just let her be walking for a while, breathe the air, breathe Habasan, because we're always so going down now. We're going down. It's so great. I'm breathing, so I'm sweating already. So we're gonna go back our unit. Go na inside. Okay. Big, I gonna put a towel in your back because you're so sweating now. It's a deep no light. Update. Here, this is our condo unit that we missed 3 years when we moved to Dumaguete with Walter. So he decided to home base is in Dumaguete, but possible we are planning to back here. Not now, soon. But we just find the place, not this condo. Just planning for a big house that we can comfortable, because it's so tiny here. We cannot move well. He is very, very particular with the area that she is not comfortable with the space like this. That's why we stay in Dumaguete, a big house. So we can feel comfortable, like the toilet, 2 toilets, or big bedrooms, 2, 3, or like this. And area is huge. And he like have a balcony or porch. You can see the nature like this. But this is one window only and two doors. The entrance and the back for balcony. We cannot use our balcony because of the height of the condenser. With the AC is facing with our door, so very hot. We cannot. We make only for dry our clothes. You cannot stand by there if the AC is running, but if it's not running, you can stay there. My girl, cute kangaroo. Oh. Sexy kangaroo. Oh. My girl. Huh? What, Han? Which one bottle? You talking? Oh, okay. The guy that bringing the water? Yeah, I don't.
You're gonna slip and fall. A red Kia. She's thinking about that. She says, you know, that's pretty good. Eat whatever I want. Or people are usually telling me, eat this, babe, eat this, eat this. How come you didn't eat this? Where is she planning on having?
Video shows the moment when those famous carriage horses breaks loose.
Okay,
And
make
family
myself
tourists throw the 18-year-old
moist chocolate. Moist
From
chocolate.
tonight, he has now died. He's Panther from State Central Park.
Tonight, this is the terrifying moment a horse-drawn carriage takes off in Central Park. The horse bolting as a family of 4 tourists barely hangs on inside. In the video, you can see someone falling to the pavement as the horse spins out of control. The carriage driver seen chasing after him. Moments later, this video showing the carriage crashing into another lifted and
What?
today, authorities confirming a 19-year-old man fell from the carriage.
Which one?
It happened near Tavern.
Which one do you usually leave on?
Toilet? Huh? Bathroom?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, I got up and
This is the second incident involving
Thank
horse
you.
missing and controversial carriage horses in just over a week. This horse collapsed and died after officials say it ate a highly toxic poisonous plant. And tonight, new calls from animal rights groups and the Central Park Conservancy to ban the horse carriages, long the subject of intense debate in the city.
And hear that shocking video tonight, that horse completely out of control. And again, we just learned that tragic news that that 18-year-old who fell from that carriage has died.
David, truly horrific images. Matt Rivers up in Central Park for us. Matt, thank you. Now to Iran. President Trump and his deal with Iran tonight. U.S. officials now revealing what Iran is set to get when they open the Strait of Hormuz. And tonight, some Republicans in Washington already angry. One saying Ronald Reagan would be rolling over his grave, calling this the worst foreign policy blunder in decades. Rachel Scott traveling with the president.
Tonight, U.S. officials presenting the peace deal, lifting the American blockade of Iranian ports, rewarding Iran for reopening the Strait of Hormuz, and laying the groundwork for 60 days of future talks about their nuclear program. President Trump acknowledges Iran's decision to close the strait was putting too much pressure on the American economy.
I didn't want to see economic stock market shut up there.
Says Iran and Oman will administer the strait, something that was not the case before